Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all the subscribers that are subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much, and thank you for keep watching all my videos. I highly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Today we are with uMacele Indlunkulu. We've been seeing Usne. She's been showing so much affection towards all her family and showing appreciation to each and every member of Mseleku family. We saw here she had posted uMacele saying, "I love you, mom." Yes, we know that she deeply loves uMacele because uMacele has been her mom. uMacele has been with her. uMacele has fight for Usne, whether she's there or she's not. uMacele has fought for Usne's kids. So for her to show gratitude, it actually melts our heart to see Usne actually appreciating uMacele and showing gratitude towards uMacele and appreciating her for being in her life and supporting Usne through thick and thin. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.